All right, so my defect today is obviously this forklift being stuck. I've tried 6 or 7 different ways to get it out. Starting from back there, coming from this side using the tractor, 4-wheel drive, everything to try to pull it out. So I was able to turn it from the back end being here to now it is here. So I did technically move it, but I only moved it sideways. So I guess I made it more difficult to get out next time. But the overproduction is that we have 1, 2, 3 forklifts that we need to use. This one, that can be used at one time. I'm sorry. This is the one that I primarily like to use because it's the fastest. It picks up and drops down stuff easier, and it has the most fluid motion out of all 3 forklifts. Even though only 2 of them are operational. The transportation is taking stuff like this, the tractor, any movement of items or things. So I had to move that thing back here. I had to move that thing. Just to get this tractor back here, I had to do 2.5 hours of work of moving all the stuff from over here to get the tractor to be able to swing. There used to be a boat here, if anybody remembers, but it is now all the way outside in front of the cave, which we will RTS for later. But I was able to move the little small, if you can even see it, the little small cart right there has been moved twice now. But yes, so inventory, when I'm working on defects like this, I'm not doing other things for the cave, beautification, landscaping, mowing. There's other things that need to be done right now, but this is stopping us from getting a giant project done. The defect is exactly that. The project that needs to be done cannot be completed because I can't get in from over here, through here, or through here. Nothing is short enough. The tractor, which has got the forks on it now, thanks to you, is going to grab these, put them outside. We will dump them, bring the racks back in here, and we will fold them and put them just like this. Fold them down just like that so they can be easily bound together and transported to wherever we need. But I can't do that because, again, this is stuck. This being stuck has caused me days, guys, days of over-processing. We've had, again, the chains. Myself, Emma, Tevin, I think Hugh, and maybe Marty has also tried. But we have to try different measures now because I can't figure out how to get it out myself. Nothing in here is able to pull it out or push it. And as you can see, the well that it's stuck in is deep. So it's caused huge amounts of overprocessing. Every day I attempt to come down here and try to pull it out in some different way, and just nothing is working. The motion is having myself and my fucking Adidas walking back and forth. Actually, back and forth, not back and forth, but back and forth, in and out of the cave, in and out around the area, back and forth down here, having to go up to get the tractor, then back out here to hook it up, losing that dang chain for 15 minutes, looking all over for it, even though we had 2 or 3 of them, but I wanted that specific one back. But anyways, oh my gosh, where was I at? Oh, motion. Oh, sorry. So the waiting is that Hugh, Roger, Mrs. Lee, anybody else who wants to utilize this cave, put things up, do whatever properly, we're all waiting. Every single person who is employed is waiting because this space is enough space for every single item. And I'm not kidding, guys. Every single item that is in the front of the cave and in the second section of the cave can fit in the back of this area. Now, that's not what its intended purpose is, but it can fit in this area. And if we are properly utilizing our spacing, if we're properly putting things where they need to go and fixing things we need to fix, then all that stuff that we're not using, that and can't be thrown away, will be moved back into either the second section or the third section. But we'll get to that point later on. But everybody's waiting. And the waste and employee genius is obviously we have three forklifts, of which only one technically is operational because it's stuck. And, just being cognizant of the things that are around us, the stuff on the ground, and not getting equipment. Unfortunately this happened, but things happen. Nobody's sweating anybody for it, but things happen. But it causes large amounts of defects, delays in production and service, which we are desperately trying to get back to fixing. So yeah, that's my 8-way story, guys. And if you guys have any ideas on how to get this out, please let me know.